Hello my friends, welcome to Crafty Christmas in July 2023. I am going to give you a flip through of the journal that I created during this fun collaboration. This is the outside of the journal, as you can see, and I haven't done anything to it. I find this to be so pretty, I just didn't want to mess with it, but let me know your thoughts and if you think I should add any trim here, or add something over the spine, or leave the white wax thread exposed. I think I could go either way, but I think this is such pretty paper. As you guys might have seen earlier in this fun collaboration, that I did reinforce the cover, so even though it was started with a pretty decent cardstock, there's another layer here on the inside and a pocket, and that's on both the front and the back, so it's, you know, it's nice and sturdy, which is great. Oh, a little piece of rogue ephemera in there. All right, I want to mention that I used a kit that I created, and the name of my kit is Retro Christmas. And you'll find retro vibes in my kit, and I love it. And then combined with that is a scrapbook kit. I think perhaps two of the popular pastel scrapbook kits. And I don't have the names handy. One might be called Sugar Plums, but I'm not really sure. But most of you have seen them if you're familiar with the pastel scrapbook kits. So at any rate, I'm gonna start to flip through, and as I flip through, I'll give you information about the challenge or the collaboration. I want to thank Sweet Pea Papers and Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling for inviting me to participate in this collaboration. I really enjoyed it. I also want to mention that there is a list of collaborators that also took part in this collaboration and they are in my description box. So all the information that you would need on all the channels is in my description box, as well as all of our hostess information. And lastly, I want to mention that this journal is listed in my Etsy shop if you are interested. Very simple tag. This pocket could definitely be added to. This and her, they are all images from my kit, as well as this little piece here. We have a nice little side pocket here with a couple of layers and also some lace. These are both from my digital kit, as well as this. This is a white doily that I repurposed. I had received that in another Christmas collaboration that I'm in. And in the beginning of this collab, I created some clusters, and this is one of them, and I just love it. This is an image from my digital kit, but then it's layered on piano paper and some sort of lacy fabric that Lisa of Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling had sent. This is some vintage wrapping paper from 1980 something, and I layered one of the clusters that I had made previously, and then put some lace on there and a button. The lace and the button were all, oh, and the piano paper were sent to me by Lisa as well. And that's from my kit, and then this is from my kit as well. This page is from my kit. This was sent to me by my friend Gwen of Gwen Offit Designs. I just love it. We have some lace here. This lace was given to me by a friend of mine, and I think it looks so pretty in the journal. This is an image from my kit. So this piece here was also sent to me from a different Christmas collab that I'm in, and I attached it. It was tissue paper, and I attached it to some cardstock and made a nice tag out of it. This spread here is from my digital kit. As well as this one and this and these tags. I really like this kit, and I definitely want to use it again. Some pretty lace given to me by Lisa. Oh, I love these two. These two are part of the kit, and this image, of course, I backed onto some cardstock, actually some scrapbook paper. I added a little bit of bling. I did that in one of my videos in this collaboration as well. Have just some nice simple dangles that match the color aesthetic of the journal. This pink is also a page from my digital kit. This I have just some pink coffee dyed paper. I had made clusters in one of the videos and put one right here. This is one of the belly bands I made in the video that I made. I made 3 belly bands in a video and they all made it into the journal. This is just a nice tag, and I put some fabric from Lisa here and then put the images from my digital kit here as well as here. I think everything goes really nicely together, and I think my kit really worked nicely with the scrapbooks that I used that were in the pastel colors. I love how this turned out. I want to thank Lisa and Terry for inviting me to be in this collaboration. It's been a lot of fun, and I've really enjoyed it. This is a one signature journal, and I am going to list it in my Etsy shop. This I did something a little bit different. So here we have a belly band, and I put some double stick tape right here in the center so that I could fit 2 tags in it, and then that way the ribbon could stick out of the edge, over the edge, and just add a nice decorative look to it. I was cleaning my craft room because I was having to put some stuff away, and I ran into this pink lined paper, and I love it so much, and I didn't even realize I had it, so I was happy to use it in the journal. Here's another one where I put the double stick tape here so that the tags can go in sideways. I used a dress to create a journal cover a week or so ago, and this tag came out of the dress, so I added it as a tab in this journal. Here's some more of that wrapping paper from the 1980s. Added some lace from Lisa, and then added a little ephemera from my kit. And then here's a nice side pocket with some lace here, and this tag is from my kit as well. I love the vintage vibes going on there. Oh yeah, and look at this gorgeous lace. This was given to me by Lisa as well. She sent everybody in the collaboration a package of goodies for us to use, which was so nice and generous. This paper here was given to me by my friend Annie of Annie Creates, and actually I ended up using quite a bit of it in this journal. I'm sorry I didn't mention that earlier, Annie. But thank you for the pretty paper. I think you sent that to me last year, and I love it. This lace here was given to me through my Secret Santa in a different collaboration, and isn't it stunning? I love it. This is the last page. That is a page from my kit. Here's the other pocket, and then here's 2 more tags. And that's the journal, my friends. I love this journal. I absolutely love how it came out. It's available in my Etsy shop. But before you go, make sure and comment, do you like the cover as it is, or do you think I should dress it up? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts on that. Well, friends, thank you so much for spending some time with me and following me along in this collaboration. Thanks for watching. See you soon.